Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder too many attempts, try again later. Do not fix or how to solve Tinder too many attempts, try again later. You should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will search about the application of Tinder. Then this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors on your app. And then you can go to Play Store, you will find uninstall. You can install again your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.